Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about face sculpting. Many of you will be wondering what it is. It's actually a very interesting and fascinating topic. Imagine you are just walking into an aesthetic clinic and after a few hours you are walking out with a defined and a sculpted face. It was unthinkable several years back when surgery was the only option if you had to look good. So what is face sculpting? It's a non-surgical technique designed to lift the face and provide definition. Commonly done with dermal fillers, can be combined with thread lift and Botox. It can be done in all age groups above 18 and for both men and women. It's an office procedure with no downtime. Dermal fillers were first introduced into the market 40 years back. But actual revolution happened 20 years back when hyaluronic acid fillers were introduced. They're extremely safe as they form part of the body's natural moisturizer. Initially they were used to fill the lines and grooves like the laugh lines, and now they are used for volume augmentation, and in face sculpting they are injected at specific points to lift the face and provide definition. So they can be used to create a defined cheeks, well-defined jawline and a projected chin. If you have a saggy face or a chubby face, first it's better to do microneedle radiofrequency or high intensity focused ultrasound to tighten the skin. Then it can be followed by dermal fillers, and it can also be combined with thread lift and Botox. And if you have a square face with a prominent masseter muscle, then it can be made into a more oval shape with the help of Botox. So what are the advantages when you compare with surgery? It's an office procedure with no downtime, so you can go back to work immediately. And the results are seen immediately when compared to surgery. And the advantage is that in case if you didn't like the result, you can dissolve of the fillers using another injection called hyaluronidase. And it is extremely safe in experienced hands. So another advantage of dermal fillers, in addition to providing a sculpted face, is that it helps to correct the emotional attributes. It takes away the tired, sad look and helps to recreate the emotions of joy and happiness and provide you with a more confident look. Thank you.